Hello everybody, hope you're having a nice day. That's what we say at the beginning of the vlog, so I should have said that before, but never mind. So here Alma and I are to launch our newest pattern for February, which is the Aida Dress, which Alma is beautifully modelling for us, and Alma is our cover girl this month, so it feels very fitting that we've actually got her on the front cover and we've got her standing here as well. So let's have a look at the features on the Aida Dress. So when I was designing this, what I really wanted to do was to design something that was a little bit vintage, going back to the old Sew Over It days of having a vintage dress, the kind of dress that I really wore every day, all the time. So we've got some really lovely features to this, which we don't have in any of our other patterns. This beautiful soft curved empire line, really nice, and what's particularly flattering about this is that they've got the skirt has panels, so where most empire lines don't come in under the bust, this does, so it's lovely and flattering. Really pretty gathering detail here, which is mirrored up here as well, and also in a way it's mirrored there, so I really wanted a really pretty dress that was super flattering. It's got a nice little A-line flare to it. This is the short version, which you might not be able to see how long it is.
Just above my knee.
Just above the knee. How tall are you?
5'5".
5'5", wonderful. The other version is sort of more midi length, but kind of over the knee.
Over the knee, yeah.
Yeah, it's not quite a midi length. Again,
very elegant.
Very vintage, that length, so it's just over the knee. And the back, we've got a centre back zip. Obviously we've got the waist seam that as well, because that should say actually vintage shave from the side. So what happens with this very cleverly is the seam comes down and joins the back waist seam there. So although that's sitting up here, it does kind of come down and sit on the waist when it gets to the back. And then we've got the panel skirts as well, so it's nice and fitted at the back as well. Lovely. Beautiful.
This is the version with the shirt shirring elastic sleeve, so it creates it's almost like a faux cuff.
Yeah, it's lovely. It's super easy because there's no buttonholes, there's no cuff binding, but it's got that really pretty kind of frill on it. It's lovely, really simple. And if you didn't like that, you can just do it. We've got a sleeve without that, so you can just
straight one.
Yeah, exactly. And there's also, we've talked about the two lengths. I think that's everything. Fabrics. So this is
for sure.
Yeah, this is our Susanna, which we also had in green for the Ultimate Shift add-on, but this is it in black. And I think we still, hopefully, when this goes up, we still will have some also in mustard. Really lovely viscose twill. But the best fabric, of course, is not this one, but it's the other one, which is one of our fabrics. So this is something that we've been working on, and actually any of you who are hardcore Sew Over It fans might recognise it because we used it for the Alba skirt in the Summer Dreaming ebook, but then it was a pandemic and we couldn't order it and get it all in time for the ebook, so we basically put that on hold, and now we've been able to order it and get
finally here.
It's finally here. So it's that lovely buttery soft viscose that we've got the wildflower and the busy blossom made out of. Really, really lovely. I love the weight of it. I love how it hangs, and I love the fact that it's so versatile for blouses or dresses. But yeah, Chantel's was made out of this, so you can see it works beautifully with the Aida. Now this is hopefully going up on the launch day. So Alma, how do people have a look and see what's on Instagram so they can check it out?
So you can find the Aida dresses that other people have made, including our pattern insiders who get access a little bit earlier, so hopefully they'll be peppering our social media channels with it. Just search for the hashtag SOI Aida Dress, and Aida is AIDA, so we don't confuse it with the Ava skirt when we're looking at orders very quickly. That's why there's an I.
There's an I. It can be spelt that way. We can spell it without it or with it, and we were like, we'd better put it in because it's sale season or anything like that. Your eye's gonna get confused with an Ava and an Aida. So there we go.
So yeah, just search the hashtag and you will see what other people are making. We also have a Pinterest board. You can find that on the product page. We'll link to everything below. And yeah, we can't wait to see what you make with this pattern. I absolutely love it. I want to make like 3.
It's always like the stages of releasing a pattern. It's always really exciting when the pattern and the toile stage happens. You're like, oh my gosh, this is that awful sketch that I did. This is what I was thinking. And then the next stage that's really exciting is when we do the photo shoot. And then the stage that's really exciting is when you look for the hashtag and you suddenly see all of you guys have made the dress and how amazing it looks and how different it looks.
That's what I love.
The inspiration of like how the twist that you put on it. I think it's always lovely to see. So can't wait to see that.
And something like this will look so different in different prints or solids, different fabrics. It's going to look completely different.
Absolutely.
So can't wait.
So that's it from us, guys. Before I forget, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and that means they'll drop into your feed so that you don't miss any of these videos. There was a tea in a chat that went up last week, so if you've missed that, have a look on our channel for that, because Alma and Rosie were chatting away about all the things that have happened, what's coming. And don't forget to like the video. I think I did that and said subscribe, but I meant like and then click on the subscribe button. Okay, bye guys.
Bye.